Ever look at your room and think, why does this place feel like it has zero personality and I live here? Here's the glow up truth. It's not about adding more stuff. It's about choosing a few statement showpieces that actually say something. When you're trying to make your space feel balanced, the 3-4-5 rule matters. 60% dominant, 30% secondary, 10% accent. So your decor feels intentional, not chaotic. And if there's a TV in the mix, the move is real. Build a gallery wall around it with frames, small shelves, and wall sconces, so it stops looking like a random black rectangle. Plus, don't waste that awkward TV side corner. Give it height with a tall plant, a floor lamp, or floating corner shelves. Now bring it home with Muluan, sleek abstract resin accents, modern figurines, and bold tabletop showpieces that turn meh into main character energy.